Good morning, everyone. Since there has been a lot of suspension of classes lately, I have decided that from then on, I am going to record videos, short videos regarding our topics. So the video for today is about lenses, and there are generally only two types of lenses, convex and concave lens. And I want you to look at their shapes. So if this is a person looking at a lens, the convex lens is bulging outward. Okay, gapagwa siya class. Okay, that is convex lens. While concave lens is bulging inward. So I always tell my students that sexy niya si concave because ang iya nga hip is narrow and ang iya nga top and bottom are quite larger or wider. So that's our lenses. And lenses is also present in the human body in the form of lens. So may lens kita sa aton nga mga mata. And when we talk about the lens of the human eye, it is actually transparent and flexible. And it's located behind our lens, iris, and pupil. On the other hand, when we talk about lenses in physics, it's still a transparent, but it's made of glass and plastic. So it's not flexible. It's not flexible. So amo yung lens ta. It is transparent, meaning makita mo kung anong sa likod niya. Unlike the mirror wherein you only have one reflective surface. So, ang likod, hindi mo yan makitaan kung anong ara sa likod sa mirror. In lens, it's transparent. So, you can really see through it. And the property of light that the lens uses is refraction. Sa mirror, reflection. While here, in lenses, we use refraction. So what is refraction? It's actually the bending of light as it passes through the medium, and in our case, it's the lens. So that's how images are formed in lenses. They use refraction. Now that we have an image, how are we going to describe it? Just like in the mirror, we still have the lost. So when it comes to the location, itan-awon talanggid kung diin siya, kung between F and F2, or at behind the lens. So we need to really specify where is the location of the image. For the orientation, it's still the same, either upright or inverted. Sa Ilonggo, ang inverted is suli. Then we have the size, three types. We have reduced, same size, and enlarged. And for the type, it's quite special. Kay unlike sa aton nga mirrors, suli iya ang sa lens. Because when you talk about the type of the image formed by lenses, virtual na siya pag-ara siya sa atubangan. Take note class ha, virtual ang image pag nag-form siya sa atubangan sang lens. And it is called real if the image is formed behind our lens. So silianay sila class. Let me give you an example. Here we have our object and this is the image form. Okay? So, kung tanawon ta, this is the front, amo ni siyang atubangan. And kung diri ma-form ang image, it will be virtual. However, ang aton image na-form siya class sa likod. That is why we call it as real image. So, review ta. How are we going to describe this image in terms of lost? So it will be behind the lens between F and 2F. The orientation will be inverted, kay suli siya. the size will be reduced. Kay mas gamay ang image kaysa sa aton object. And the type will be real. Here, we have our object here. And this is our image. So what type of image? Still, it's a real image. And if we can describe it using laws, it will be behind 2F, inverted, enlarged, and real. Then here, this one, front, reading front. So our image is formed in front. Therefore, our image is virtual. So I hope that is clear. Dira man lang ta class nagsulianay sa mirrors and lenses. Diri lang gid sa type. So again, virtual if the image is formed in front of the mirror. But real if the image is formed at the back of the lens. So this is our characteristics. And we're supposed to have a paired activity, but I suppose we have done already this activity. So kindly just go through your notes and check your work. Honestly, check your work. So this is the image formed in the convex lens and concave lens. And tanawan nyo class ha, sa concave lens, biskan diin mo ibutang ang imong object, it will still have the same description of the image. This time, concave lens ang palareho. While convex lens, the description of the image will differ based on the location of the object. So kung diin mo gimbutang ang object, it will also create different kind of image. So I hope that is clear. Diin palareho ang image when it comes to lenses. It's with concave lens. So that ends my presentation. I hope that everything is clear about lenses. And kindly PM me or post in our GC if there are any questions regarding this topic. Thank you so much. God bless everyone and please keep safe.